Life is full of decisions, big and small. Which job should we take? Should we move cities? These questions can cause us to worry. As Muslims, we are lucky to have Istikhara. Istikhara means to seek goodness from Allah. It is a prayer and a way to ask Allah to guide us. When we make Istikhara, we are asking Allah to show us the best path. Istikhara is a powerful tool for believers. It helps us to feel closer to Allah. We remember that Allah is always with us. When we make Istikhara, we are putting our trust in Allah. We know that He will guide us to what is best. Remember, Allah knows everything. He knows what is best for us, even when we don't. Istikhara is not magic. It is a conversation with Allah. We should make Istikhara with a sincere heart and an open mind. We should be ready to accept Allah's will, even if it is not what we expect. Istikhara is a way to find peace in our decisions. Istikhara can be done for any decision, big or small. It is a gift from Allah and we should use it often. When we make Istikhara, we are inviting Allah into our lives. We are asking Him to guide us and help us to make the best choices. This brings us peace and makes us feel close to Allah. Making Istikhara is simple. First, make wudu, which is the Islamic ritual washing. After making wudu, find a quiet place to pray. Pray 2 rak'ahs of nafil prayer. Nafil prayer is extra prayer we can do anytime. After the prayer, recite the Istikhara dua. Ask Allah sincerely to guide you to the best path. After making Istikhara, pay attention to your heart. You may feel inclined towards one option or uneasy about another. These feelings can be a sign from Allah. Remember, Allah guides us in many ways, not just through clear signs. Sometimes He guides us through our feelings and thoughts. It's important to be patient. Don't expect an immediate answer after making Istikhara. Allah guides us in His own time. Trust that He will show you the way, even if it takes time. Keep making dua to Allah. Ask Him to make your heart firm in His decision. Continue to seek knowledge and make an effort. Istikhara is not a substitute for our own efforts. Research your options, talk to knowledgeable people and use your best judgment. Istikhara is a way to seek Allah's blessings on the choices we make. The Istikhara dua is a beautiful prayer. It is a conversation with Allah where we ask for His guidance. Here is the dua in Arabic: Lahumma iniwai, astakiruka bi ilmika, wa astakdiruka bi kudratika, wa asaluka min fadlika, lazimi fainauka takdiru wala akdiru watalamu wala alamu, wa anta alamu luguyubi, lahumma in kunta talamu anau hadalamra, wa yusamiwi hajata, kairun li fi dini wa ma'ashi wa akibahi amri, Alkala, ajili amri wajilihi, fakdurhu li wayasiru li thumma barik laifihi, wen kunta talamu ana hadalamra, wa yusami wi hajata, sharunu laifi dini wa ma'ashi wa akibagi amri, Alkala, ajili amri wajilihi, fasrifu aniwi wasrifni anhu, wakdur li lakaira haithu kana thumma radiuni bihi. Here is the translation of the meaning of the dua: O Allah, I seek your guidance in making a choice by virtue of your knowledge, and I seek ability by virtue of your power, and I ask you of your great bounty, for you are capable while I am not, you know while I do not, and you are the knower of the unseen. O Allah, if you know that this matter, name the matter or decision, is good for me in my religion, my livelihood, and in my life, here he should state his need, then ordain it for me, make it easy for me, and bless it for me. But if you know this matter, name the matter or decision, is bad for me in my religion, my livelihood, and in my life, here he should state his need, then turn it away from me, and turn me away from it, and ordain for me better than it wherever it may be, and make me pleased with it. The Istikhara dua is a powerful reminder. It reminds us that Allah is in control. It reminds us that He is the best planner. When we say this dua, we are surrendering our will to Allah. We are saying, O Allah, guide me to what is best according to your knowledge and wisdom. Sometimes we might not get a clear sign after making Istikhara. This is normal. Allah guides us in different ways. The important thing is to trust in Allah's plan. Know that He will always guide you to what is best for you. Istikhara is not about avoiding difficulties in life. It's about facing them with Allah by our side. It's about knowing that whatever challenges come our way, we are not alone. Allah is with us, guiding us every step of the way. When we make Istikhara a part of our lives, it changes us. It makes us more patient, more trusting, and more reliant on Allah. It brings us closer to Him and fills our hearts with peace. Even when things are difficult, we can find comfort in knowing that we are following Allah's guidance. Istikhara is a gift from Allah. It is a way for us to seek His guidance in all aspects of our lives. So the next time you have a decision to make, big or small, turn to Allah and make istikhara. Trust in His plan and know that He will always guide you to what is best.